Hi everyone, this is Vikram from Gigayasa Wireless. In this video, we will be demonstrating how to install 5G Toolkit on a Linux system. I am using Ubuntu 22.04. You can have some other version of Linux. So first thing, we have to go to our website, Gigayasa Wireless, then go to our product 5G Toolkit and click on the documentation. So this will show you the complete API documentation and other tutorials and some additional resources that you can explore and use them to learn this 5G toolkit. Now, these are the steps that you can follow in order to install the 5G toolkit on your Linux system. So I already have Conda installed on my system. So I'll directly verify the installation. Here is the terminal. So Conda version will tell me the version that I currently have on my system. Now, the next command I have to run is for creating a Conda environment using this command, Conda create environment name, and then the version of Python that you want to install in this environment. So I accept the conditions. And now I can activate the environment. Now all the installation that I'll be doing from here onwards will be within this environment, and the name of the environment is Gigayasa. The first thing we have to do is we have to install Jupyter for running all the codes and for verifying the installation. So installation completed. Now I will be installing the 5G toolkit. So all you have to do, if you already have Jupyter with you, if you already have a specific environment created with you, all you have to do is just run this command. So I'll do the same. So the installation of 5G toolkit is completed. Now we will validate the installation. So first we will see whether the setup is placed in the environment or not. So for that, I will run this command, pip show toolkit. So this is saying that now this environment has the toolkit installation. So let me run the Jupyter and see if I can import the toolkit. So I already have this thing here. So let me run this. So this is saying that I have a license error, which is valid because till now I have not installed the toolkit license on the system. So for that, what I have to do is I have to come to this place. So because I'm doing this on Linux, so I have to download the license installer, which is here. So I'll go to the downloads folder. I'll pick up this guy and I'll take it to my test folder. I'll unzip it here and I will go to properties. I'll see whether it is executable or not. So this is saying that we can execute it. We can run the code. So let's install the central hub, which is for license installation. So you have to input your system password. Okay, so it seems the central hub is installed. So let me search for it. So here it comes. So do I have login and password? I don't. So let me create a password for myself, Vikram6G. I'll input my Jigyasa email. And I can have a certain password. So remember, we have to run it as an administrator if you're running it for your own purpose. Now create an account. So I have to verify my email ID. So here it comes. So this is the OTP F877E9. F877E9. Verify the OTP. Now I can log in with my credentials. Vikram. So now this is the place where I can activate the license. So I have to enter my license key, which you must have received from our team over the email. So 57347. So my license is activated now. Now I'll see whether I can. Let's try to import it again. Okay, so now I am able to import it. I can see the version as well. So this is it. The installation is complete. Now what I'll do is I'll go to the same website and download one of the tutorial. Let's say go to Hamming Codes, download this notebook. Sorry. Okay, let's save this thing. Control S. So let me go to the same test folder and save it here. Okay. Now let me refresh it. So I have this guy available with me. So let me run this tutorial. If I am able to run it successfully, that means we have successfully installed the toolkit and license both on this Ubuntu system. Okay, so these are the results. These are the reliability results for Hamming Codes. So that's all. It's a very simple process. If you already have Conda installed on your system and you are already using Jupyter, then it's just single line of execution. All you have to run is just a single line in your terminal, and that will set up the toolkit on your system. If you're a new user who has never done any coding on Python before, then you will have to run 3-4 steps. And you have seen that even license installation doesn't take much time. So that's all from me, guys. Thanks for your time. Let's call it here. See you in the next one. Bye.